Car paint sprayers deliver smooth, professional finishes, reduce overspray, save paint and time, and make automotive refinishing faster, easier, and more precise. My today's video is about top 5 best car paint sprayers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tilswall Atomization for car painting. The Tilswall Pinto LVLP spray gun is a professional-grade painting tool built for durability, precision, and versatility. Its stainless steel paint flow system, free of rubber seals, delivers outstanding corrosion resistance and a lifespan up to 2 to 8 times longer than many standard spray guns. Whether you're using water-based paints, oil-based coatings, primers, or clear coats, this spray gun handles them all with ease, eliminating the need for multiple guns. Equipped with a precision copper air cap, stainless steel nozzle, and fluid needle, it creates ultrafine atomization for a smooth, even finish with minimal orange peel. The extra-wide 28cm Plus spray fan covers large surfaces quickly while reducing paint waste thanks to efficient LVLP technology. With 3 interchangeable nozzle sizes, 1.3mm, 1.5mm, and 1.7mm, it adapts to various projects, from automotive painting to cabinetry and metal finishing. The included air pressure regulator and oil-water separator further improve spray consistency. Lightweight, comfortable to hold, and supported by detailed guides, the Pinto offers excellent performance for both professionals and serious DIY users. Now our second product is Inocraft Paint Gun for cars and house. The Drizzle D1 LVLP spray paint gun is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for smooth, efficient, and high-quality painting results. Designed with beginners in mind, it features clearly marked controls, a quick start guide, detailed instructions, and helpful video tutorials, making it easy to achieve professional-level performance from the first use. This all-in-one kit includes essential accessories such as a pressure regulator, oil-water separator, and multiple nozzle sizes, so you can begin painting right out of the box. The LVLP technology delivers outstanding paint atomization and high transfer efficiency, producing a smooth, even finish while reducing overspray and paint waste. It's ideal for automotive refinishing, furniture restoration, home improvement, and other DIY projects. Built with a one-piece forged aluminum body and a durable Teflon coating, the D1 is designed for long-lasting performance and effortless cleaning after every job. Combining user-friendly operation, reliable durability, and professional quality results, the Drizzle D1 LVLP spray paint gun offers excellent value for anyone seeking a dependable and efficient paint spraying solution. Our third product is AeroPro Car Paint Gun Sprayer. The R500 LVLP spray gun, a 610, is a reliable and efficient paint sprayer designed for both DIY users and professionals. Its upgraded Teflon-coated body is highly resistant to wear, stains, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Thanks to its LVLP technology, the gun operates with low air consumption and pressure while producing excellent paint atomization, resulting in a smooth, even finish with minimal overspray. With an impressive paint utilization rate of up to 65% and a wide spray pattern of up to 280mm, the R500 helps complete projects faster while reducing paint waste. The 2-stage trigger improves control by allowing users to blow off dust before spraying, while also reducing hand fatigue during extended jobs. The included 1.3mm, 1.5mm, and 1.7mm nozzle sets make it suitable for a variety of coatings, from varnishes to top coats. Its stainless steel nozzle and needle, corrosion-resistant paint cup, and complete accessory kit make setup and maintenance simple. Overall, the R500 delivers dependable performance, versatility, and excellent value for automotive, furniture, and general painting projects. Now number 4, Chernobgol Cordless Paint Sprayer. The cordless paint sprayer is a convenient and versatile solution for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement projects. Its wireless design eliminates the hassle of power cords, while the two 4000 mAh rechargeable batteries provide 20 to 25 minutes of continuous spraying each. With the quick swap battery system, you can keep working without long interruptions and cover large areas efficiently. Equipped with 5 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal, the sprayer easily adapts to a variety of tasks, including painting furniture, walls, doors, fences, and outdoor tables. The adjustable flow control allows precise paint output, helping reduce overspray and minimize paint waste while delivering a smooth, even finish. Setup is quick and tool-free, making it beginner-friendly, and cleaning is simple thanks to the included brush and nozzle cleaning needle. The complete accessory kit, featuring viscosity cup, paper funnels, multiple nozzles, and dual batteries, ensures you're ready for any project right out of the box. Overall, this cordless paint sprayer combines portability, flexibility, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for efficient and professional-looking painting results. And our last choice is SRQL NTT Air Spray for car paints. The 819 HVLP automotive spray gun is a dependable and versatile painting tool designed for professionals and serious DIY users. Featuring 3 interchangeable nozzle sizes, 1.3mm, 1.7mm, and 2.0mm, it handles a wide range of water-based and solvent-based coatings, making it ideal for automotive refinishing, wall painting, roof repairs, and industrial applications. Its adjustable paint flow, spray pattern, and air volume knobs provide precise control, allowing you to customize the spray for different projects with ease. Operating at low air pressure, the HVLP design delivers smooth, even atomization while reducing overspray and improving paint transfer efficiency. With up to 65% paint utilization, it helps save paint and lower project costs. The disposable paint cup system also minimizes cleanup time by simplifying mixing, spraying, refilling, and storage. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, a pure copper air cap, stainless steel nozzle and needle, and a wear-resistant Teflon coating, this spray gun is made for long-lasting performance. Overall, the 819 HVLP spray gun offers excellent control, efficiency, and durability, making it a great choice for achieving professional quality finishes. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.